Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot in Google Chrome without installing any extensions. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, navigate to the website where you want to capture a screenshot. This could be any web page, whether it's an article, an image, or any content you need to save. Now, here's the great part. You actually have two simple ways to take a screenshot directly from your keyboard without needing any third-party tools or extensions cluttering up your browser. The first method is the most straightforward. Simply press the screenshot key on your keyboard. This key is typically labeled as print screen, pratessienne, or something similar depending on your keyboard model. Once you press it, you'll be able to create a selection box around the area you want to capture. Just click and drag to define the specific portion of your screen you need. The moment you release the mouse, your screenshot will be captured automatically. This method is perfect for quickly grabbing exactly what you need without any hassle. The second method gives you a bit more control and works especially well on certain systems. Press Windows, Shift, and R keys simultaneously on your keyboard. This combination activates a screen capture tool that lets you select a custom area. Just like before, click and drag to create a box around the content you want to screenshot. Once you've defined your selection, release the mouse button and your screenshot will be taken instantly. This approach is particularly useful when you need precise control over what gets captured. Both methods are incredibly efficient and save you the trouble of installing extra extensions that can slow down your browser or raise privacy concerns. You get clean, quick screenshots whenever you need them, with just a couple of keystrokes. And that's it. You now know two simple ways to capture screenshots in Google Chrome without any extensions. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.